Are you tired of listening to us talk?
Well, yes.
So occasionally, we're going to ask you some questions.
My name is Corey Dickman. I'm an IT manager for the state of California and have judged 5 or 6 Lemons races. I started running Lemons in a Crown Vic under Panting Polar Bear Racing. Sometime along the line, I started using the Ranwin Park Racing team name. I've built and raced a 1961 AMC Rambler, a 1976 Oldsmobile Omega, 87 Cadillac Amante, 1971 Volkswagen 411, a 75 Plymouth Satellite, and my current car, a 1973 Chevy El Camino 454 SS in the California races. Well, for the biggest wins, it's definitely the people I've met. When I followed the Rambler, I got exposure to many parts of the country, and those people I still race with. I have to put that on tie with my current team and the people that I build cars with currently here in California and race the California races with. My biggest fail has been my El Camino. It has broken more times in the last 18 months than I've broken cars in the last 14 years of driving. It's gone through 2 engines, 2 transmissions, and 2 differentials in 4 races. Although we did finally win Class C in it. I really enjoy being able to come to a race and still hang out with participants and actually get a chance to know them a little more. When I'm judging, I get to be a little more social. I'm not so focused on keeping my hoopty running and in my own little bubble. The judging has given me a chance to meet more people in more of the regions that I wasn't immediately put together with. I love the penalty the door prize. And when I'm a judge, I always look around for a place to dish it out on people. What that penalty is that you have to take a door off of your car, your race car, take it to a local landmark, and have a hopefully very saucy photo shoot with your team. Fire suits and all. Bring me back pictures of her. Email me pictures of it when you're done. As proof, at Road America, teams really got into this at the Siebkins downtown, so we snuck up Elkhart Lake pretty good. I really enjoyed that a lot. I think more hoopty cars and more themes.
Mellow out, or you will pay! Mellow out, or you will pay! Mellow out, or you will pay!
Seems like the theme thing is coming up, but our cars are getting faster and faster. Theme hard or bring a crappy car if I'm judging this year. I look forward to racing everybody at Buttonwillow in my reeks of Class C victory El Camino. Have a good year racing, everybody.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?